So last week I asked a bunch of people in my Facebook group for topic ideas for my next video. I ended up getting a couple. So I decided that I was going to do maybe 2 or 3 of these ideas in one video. And while I jumped from idea to idea, I wanted to have some type of an element that would display the comment that they wrote on Facebook. So now I'm going to work on some type of element to display that. I'm not really sure what I want to do, but there was one cool idea. Let me show you here quick that I came up with. If I go over and I pull up one of my VST plugins, there was some cool artwork that I think I'm going to use. So if I load this here quick, they have like this almost like grid, and then they have, I don't know if these are waves or a mountain, but I'm just going to say that they're waves, and I'm going to make something that looks very similar to this, but the waves are animated. So, and it's all going to be in like 3D. So I think that's the idea I don't know how well it's going to be, but, or how well it's going to come out, but I think that's what I'm going to do, because I kind of like how this looks. So I guess let's get started. I think that looks kind of cool. It's just looking like jagged, like there's not that many points. So I'm not really concerned with this being open like that. It's just mainly the front that has to be all sealed up, and having the softness on the clips. I think that will help that out significantly. I think in here I can subdivisions. So now we have like a bunch of I think I just play with this until I get something that I like, I think. And one other thing I can do, I guess, is add something along the back as well, with I don't know how much that's actually adding to it, but yeah. I don't know, adding subdivisions, how much this will affect render times. That could make render times really long. I'm not exactly sure. Okay, so let's add the background now. Add this gradient, and I think we had like a purple, something like that, and I think it was like a pink and a purple. I don't know why. Alright, so then this was 0.5, 0.5, 1, 0. Let's see how that looks. Okay, it's the wrong way around. 0, 1. Okay. And then make that its own. And we add that into here. There we go. But it's in the middle of everything. Yeah. Alright, click on this, drag this back, maybe up a bit. See how that looks. Alright, it's not looking terrible. One thing that looks kind of, you know what I can do actually? I can bring these in a bit. Something like that. Yeah, it's looking better. That, let's go back over and look at that. There's like so much affecting the mountains on this, like light-wise. Looks like they have a light source over here. Light. I didn't really want to make it that complex. That's looking a lot better. Okay. Let's go see what this looks like, because I forget. Oh my gosh, there's so much extra stuff. We are going to add a blur to here, right? And then our sun, we're just gonna blur that shit a lot. And then contrast, and we're gonna just make this a bit brighter. What? Hello. There we go. So we're gonna do that, and then we're going to put that underneath this. So we're gonna bring from here to there. Now it's underneath, so now we have the glowing. Bring that in. How are we looking? Oh shit. Here. Okay, now we got that, like the glowing bit going. And then for our sky, we have here, we're gonna do a fast noise, right? And alright, so what we do with this then is we're going to connect the fast noise. I'm going to connect the fast noise into here, and then this is going to get changed to luminance, I believe. Yeah. Okay, and now we just have to figure out how we want this to look. No, we want it to be like cloudy like that. Maybe, no. Default settings almost look good enough. And we have to animate it, so, and we're animate, I want this animated real slow. Like super slow, like there, and then here, 0.2. Okay, it's ridiculously slow. That's a little too slow. 0.7. Okay, so one thing that we can do is to add even more render time to all of this, is we can put depth of field in here, and this hard edge here will get blurred a bit, and then we can potentially take the blur off of the background, because we can save a little bit on resources with that if we have the depth of field in. So let's give that a try quick. This down a bit more. So that's all the way down. So like that. That's looking pretty cool. Woo! Let's save quick. I thought I crashed.